What's up guys? Today's video is on the top 5 best Canon cameras for YouTube in 2024. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that'll meet the needs of different types of buyers, so whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now let's get started. Number 5. Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, your pocket-sized creative companion. Elevate your photography with the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, a compact powerhouse designed to fit in your pocket. Boasting a 20.2 MP sensor, 4.2x optical zoom, and the Digic 6 image processor, it delivers exceptional image quality in a sleek package. Craft your visual narrative effortlessly with the user-friendly touch panel LCD and a range of shooting modes for all skill levels. Whether you're capturing the stillness of a moment or the fluidity of 1080p/60p Full HD video, this camera is your creative companion. Seize the opportunity to own the Canon PowerShot G7X Mark II, where portability meets performance. Number 4. Canon EOS RP, unmatched power and pocket size. Experience the pinnacle of compact photography with the Canon EOS RP. Weighing in as the lightest full-frame EOS camera, it's 26.2 MP full-frame CMOS sensor and Digic 8 image processor ensure stellar image quality. This mirrorless gem supports RF lenses and EF/EFS lenses with an optional adapter, providing unmatched versatility in a small package. With dual-pixel CMOS AF, 4K video capabilities, and a 3.0 vari-angle touch LCD screen, the EOS RP is tailor-made for on-the-go creators. It's Amazon's choice in mirrorless cameras by Canon. Elevate your photography game effortlessly with the Canon EOS RP, where power meets portability. Number 3. Canon EOS M50 Mark II, compact brilliance, instant creativity. Compact, renewed, and perfect for your creative spark. Key features: picture perfect, 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, Digic 8 processor, 4K UHD 24p video. Swift capture, fast autofocus, improved eye detection, stable movie servo AF. Stream with ease, built-in Wi-Fi, EOS webcam utility for seamless live streaming. In the bundle, Canon EOS M50 Mark II with 15 to 45mm lens, black, SanDisk 64GB Extreme Pro SDXC card, LP12 replacement battery, padded case, card reader, cleaning set, wallet with a 5.0 rating from 3 reviews. The EOS M50 Mark II is your compact gateway to instant creativity. Elevate your content effortlessly. Number 2. Canon EOS R7, precision in every frame. Meet the Canon EOS R7, your gateway to professional-level photography and content creation. This mirrorless vlogging camera boasts a 32.5 MP APS-C CMOS sensor, 4K 60p video capabilities, and a Digic X image processor for unparalleled performance. With 5-axis image stabilization, high-speed continuous shooting at 15 frames per second, and compatibility with various lens mounts, the EOS R7 is designed to capture life's moments with precision. Amazon's choice in mirrorless cameras by Canon, it's a favorite among professionals and content creators, garnering a 4.6-star rating from 280 reviews on Amazon till now. Don't miss the chance to elevate your photography game with the Canon EOS R7. Number 1. Canon EOS R10, compact brilliance, big savings. Meet the Canon EOS R10, your gateway to stunning visuals without breaking the bank. This mirrorless vlogging camera packs a punch with 24.2 MP, 4K video capabilities, and a Digic X image processor. Amazon's choice in mirrorless cameras by Canon, it's a favorite among content creators. Whether you choose the lens kit or go for the body-only option, the EOS R10 promises vibrant shots and smart autofocus in a compact form. Don't miss the chance to capture your moments with Canon's budget-friendly brilliance. Thanks for watching. Like, comment and subscribe to receive the notifications about our latest video.